Hello and welcome to Algebra 1 CST release question number 66. It says, which statement best explains why there is no real solution to the quadratic equation 2x squared plus x plus 7 equals 0? So let's go to the quadratic formula first of all with one like this. It looks like they're saying, because of what they're saying here, we can't factor this. Why there is no real solution. If there was a real solution, it would be factorable. So I'm not even going to bother trying to factor it. But the quadratic formula, again, is x equals negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. If you want to hear me sing that to the tune Pop Goes the Weasel, you can watch number 65. But that's the quadratic formula. This is the part that determines whether or not your solutions will be real numbers, imaginary numbers, 0, etc. This is called the determinant, because it determines what type of answer you're going to get or what type of solutions you will have. The determinant right there, the b squared minus 4ac part. I should actually circle this particular part. That's the determinant part, the part under the radical. So I didn't mean to do that part here. It's not the whole thing with the radical sign included. It's the part under the radical sign. So b squared minus 4ac, what is that? What is b squared minus 4ac here? This is your a value, 2. This is your b value. It's this positive 1. There's an invisible 1 right there, remember, if there's nothing written there. And that's your c value right there. So you have b squared minus 4ac becomes, b is 1, so 1 squared minus 4 times a is 2 times c is 7. And notice, that's exactly what I have up here. It's the same thing as saying 1 squared minus 4 times 2 times 7. That's an equivalent way to write that. And what is that going to be? Well, this is going to be positive, 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 but you got your minus sign right there, so it would be a negative. Let's work this out and let's see what we get. Excuse me. So 1 minus, this would be 8, and then 8 times 7 would be 56. We would end up getting negative 55. So this discriminant part, the part underneath the radical, is negative. If you have the square root of a negative, that's not going to be a real number. We talk about something called imaginary numbers in Algebra 2. We're not getting to that here, though, in Algebra 1. We're just saying that there are no real number solutions because the discriminant is negative. And so this ends up being negative right here. So that's matching up with what answer choice up here. It looks like choice C, the value of 1 squared minus 4 times 2 times 7 is negative. That's why there are no real solutions. Number 66, choice C.